Hi, my name is Katie Waller and I teach math at Temple High School. And today we're going to look at how to solve equations. In middle school, we learn how to solve 1- and 2-step equations, similar to 2x equals 6 or 3x minus 5 equals 10. But in high school, we have to raise the bar a little bit and look at equations similar to this one here. First thing we look for is grouping. As you can see, we have a parenthesis here, which is grouping the x plus 3 together. To remove grouping, we distribute. So we take the number out front and multiply it through the grouping. That gives us 2x plus 6. Everything else, we bring it down untouched. The next step that we look at with solving is combining like terms. And like terms means things that look the same. So as you see, the -12 and the -6 are like terms on the right-hand side of the equation. So we're going to bring those together. Well, -12 minus 6 is a -18. Everything else on each side is not the same, so we bring it down untouched. And now we're ready for step 3. In step 3, we want to combine like terms, but on opposite sides of the equation. So I'm going to start with the variable terms, that being the 2x here and the 4x here. I want to bring them together. When we do that, we move with the opposite sign. So this being a positive 4x, I'm going to subtract the 4 from one side to the other. Doing the subtraction cancels out the 4x term, and 2 minus 4 gives us a -2x. The 6 and the 18 are like terms as well, and because I moved the variables to the left, I'm going to move the constant 6 to the right. I subtract because, again, I want to cancel that term. -18 minus 6 is a -24. So what we have left is one more step to solve for x, and that is to get the x by itself, we divide by the coefficient. We want to make the coefficient 1. Right now, it is a -2. So we're going to divide by a -2. The -2's will cancel, leaving us with the x by ourselves. And -24 divided by -2 is a +12. And that is how we solve multi-step equations.